Hello, welcome. Let's look at the question and see how best we can go about it. WASSCE 2025 January February edition. Which of the following quadratic equations, as you can see in the options, can be solved from the graphs of y equals to 3x minus 4 and y equals to 5x squared plus what? 9x. Now there are two equations, right? And both are starting with what? The dependent variable, which is the y. So if y is equal to this and y equals to this, that simply means that the right side here equals to this right side. The two equations combined together, solving them simultaneously. That means that if I have y equals to 3x minus 4 and y equals to 5x squared plus 9x, that implies that 3x minus 4 equals to 5x squared plus what? 9x. And this becomes equation that we are going to transpose all the left to the right. So I am maintaining the 5x squared and the 9x. This is a positive crossing to become negative 3x, negative crossing to become positive 4, leaving 0 at the other side. Alright, then we can check and see that 5x squared, this is 9x minus 3x, that gives us 6x. Then plus 4 equals 0. This is the quadratic equation that we get after solving this. So looking into the options, we can see that the option A have the same value. So this become our answer, the option A. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.